Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now guys, in this video again I'm talking about Axie Infinity update. Guys, you know what, Axie Infinity is in the trending in the market and a lot of people are also investing in Axie Infinity. The price is in the pumping mood, but unfortunately now the price start falls. Guys, the price become more down in the last 1 hour. Axie Infinity price going down. What's the reason behind it, and when, if as there is again possibilities that the price of Axie Infinity will again blow up. So in this video we discuss this all thing, guys. Stay with here and please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more update and news videos about Axie Infinity, guys. So let's guys discuss more about Axie Infinity. First of all, if you talk about Axie Infinity price, so 145.57 cent, that is right now price of Axie Infinity. And in my previous update video, Axie Infinity price is about 150 USD dollar, and in my previous videos that's mean, guys, that oh my god, approximate in last 4 hours the price of Axie Infinity 5 USD dollar falls, decrease 5 USD dollar. The Axie Infinity price decrease, guys. So that's really a huge loss for everybody. You can see here, but it's not mean that you decide to sell now. Axie Infinity is going in the low, so that's not mean, guys, that you decide to sell. No, I recommend hold. And especially Axie Infinity holders, the price of Axie Infinity is very high. So due to his high price, absolutely, if you sell, so you lose your money. But I recommend holding. If you hold, so now a lot of people also target for Axie Infinity 150 USD dollar. That's people target normally. So I think that's not a big target for Axie Infinity. Very soon they will cover this target. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.